Is your fridge always full but still looks messy? You're not alone. Most people waste space, money, and even food simply because their fridge isn't organized properly. But don't worry, today I'll share fridge organization hacks that will completely transform the way your kitchen looks and feels. These fridge storage ideas are quick, practical, and so simple that you'll save time every single day. And if you watch till the end, I'll reveal one game-changing hack that keeps your fridge fresh with almost zero effort. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Clear bins with labels. Use transparent bins to group items, like dairy, fruits, or snacks. Add labels so your family knows exactly where things belong. This hack makes fridge decluttering super easy. Hack number 2. Lazy Susan for bottles and jars. Stop digging through the back for sauces. Place a Lazy Susan in your fridge. Just spin, and everything comes to you. It's one of the best space-saving fridge hacks ever. Hack number 3. First in, first out rule. Here's a food-saving trick. Always keep new items at the back and older ones in the front. This first in, first out rule reduces waste and keeps your fridge fresh. Hack number 4. Create fridge zones. Divide your fridge into zones. Vegetables in one bin, dairy in another, leftovers in a separate section. This way, you'll never lose track of what you have. Hack number 5. Door space hack. Never store milk or eggs in the fridge door. The temperature here changes too often. Use this space only for condiments, sauces, or juices. Hack number 6. The 5-minute weekly cleanup. Every week, take just 5 minutes to wipe shelves, toss expired food, and reset your bins. This small habit keeps your fridge looking brand new, without hours of cleaning. Which of these fridge organization hacks will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to know your favorite. If you found these fridge storage ideas helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Home and Garden Ideas for more simple kitchen organization tips. And don't miss my next video. I'll share smart pantry hacks you'll wish you knew earlier.